YouTube. So I am back with another video. This is a weird angle, but I'm gonna go with it. So previously on my last YouTube video, I pierced my own nose, which was a very traumatic experience, but in the end, it actually worked out for the better because I had gotten my nose pierced 2 times before and it never worked out, but now I did it myself and it did work out, so I'm very happy about that. So a few people commented on my video and they're asking for updates, so this is it, I guess. It was never ever painful. The only weird side effect a little bit was like flakiness and dryness, but that is probably because of what I was using to clean my nose. Speaking of what I used to clean, let me show you guys. I got like a little package of sea salt when I got my belly button pierced, and I used that and it helped my belly button really well. So I use the same thing for my nose. What you pretty much do with this is get some boiling water or just really hot water and take like 1 or 2 of these and put it in a cup of water and wait for the salt to dissolve. And when the water is just like a good temperature to touch your skin, you pause. I feel the need to give you guys a warning about the next clip, so, yeah, here's your warning.
Warning, the clip you're about to see may be disturbing to some viewers. What you are about to witness is me in my natural habitat barefaced at 12:48 a.m. Continue watching at your own risk.
Oh, fuck! Okay, back to the video. Thanks for understanding, guys.
You just hold it over your nose for like 5 minutes and then rinse off your face afterwards. So I did that. Not as much as I should have. I only did that maybe 6 times within like the month, I guess. So yeah, but I mean, my nose is not infected, so that's good. The other thing I used to, I guess, help clean it was my face wash. I have black African soap, and it's like a very natural or like organic pretty much soap, and it's really good at cleaning. So yeah, and also at night I put tea tree oil on my face, so that is also like inflammatory and disinfecting, so it probably helped as well. But guys, that's literally it. My nose piercing, I'm just so happy that it worked out and didn't get infected and didn't like, I don't know, mess up. So yeah, I'm very happy and kind of proud of myself for that one. Go me. Also my dog was freaking out in that video. People were like so concerned about my dog. He's good. He's happy, I'm happy, we're all good. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.